Hey there buddies, this is Tiger Meow and welcome back to my channel.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notified.
Today, we're here at a nearby park to do some photo session with some of my toys. Come, join me.
Today is a good sunny weather to take toy photographs.
So this is the location for this photo session.
I found these rocks in this park, which makes cool settings for my toy photography.
So guys, let me show you my gears for today. We have my ever-trusted Sony A7 camera. I have some Stormtroopers. I have Kylo Ren and Rey from Star Wars. So we have some First Order Trooper from Good Smile Company. I have this small R2-D2, another Nendoroid First Order Trooper, I have a Bring Kylo Ren, Kylo Ren head sculpt, we have Nendoroid Rey, and the Nendoroid Rey faceplate. I also brought this mini BB-8 from Lego. So let's start shooting.
I would usually try to research some movie shots before going to the shoot. This way, it's easier to pose the figures and take photographs. It's good to be prepared to save time and energy. I'm setting up the first shot with Kylo Ren and Rey. I want to do a couple of fighting shots with Kylo Ren and Rey. Next, we're doing some solo shots of Rey and Kylo Ren, maybe with some accessories that I brought today.
Hey buddies, I'm back and we're trying to go to another location. As you can see, the sun is up and I'm really perspiring. So let's go.
I would usually look around to see more places to take photographs, so the trip won't be wasted. So here we are, we're taking more Nendoroid Star Wars photos. Another tip is, take photos in every angle possible, so you have more choices and more photos.
So we're done with this photo session and it's a bit tiring for me. It's like my every weekend workout. I hope you watch out for the photos on my Instagram, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Me out!
Don't forget to like my Facebook page, follow me on Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.